I just installed this Huanuo dual monitor arm on my desk like a week ago, and honestly, there is a couple things I wish people would have told me before I bought it. So let me save you some time. This is the Huanu dual monitor arm. Runs about $60 to $75 depending on if you get it on sale or not. Supports two monitors up to 32 inches each, C-clamp or grommet mount, full tilt, swivel, and rotation. On paper, sounds like a great deal. Let me show y'all if it actually delivers. Installation took me about 30, maybe 40 minutes, and it wasn't hard, but there were a couple moments where I had to slow down. The instructions are fine, nothing confusing, but the cable management, the instructions tell you to take these two screws off so you can slide your cables in through this little channel. You don't really have to take those screws off, you can just bend the plastic a little bit and slide your cables in without taking those two screws out. Just something to know going in so you don't waste no time during install. The clamp is solid though. It locked onto my desk tight, no wobbles, no flexing. That part impressed me. First thing that I liked about this monitor arm, the range of motion. The range of motion on these arms is legit. It goes where you want it to and it stays there. I had cheap monitor stands that drift down on you over time. This one's locked in. Second good thing about it is the desk space you get back is crazy. I had two monitor stands taking up real estate on my desk before this. Now that's all gone, my desk actually feels like a workspace again. And the third good thing is for $60 to $75, this thing feels well built. The arms are solid. The clamp is heavy duty. Both monitors sit exactly where I put them. That's really all you can ask for at a price like this. You got your 3 Allen keys and a place to put them so you have them ready at all times. Here's where you adjust your tilting. Here's where you adjust your up and down of the arm. With the smallest Allen key, here's where you adjust that upper arm, how easy or hard it is to rotate. And here's where you adjust the lower arm. Remember that it's the same on both monitor arms. They're interchangeable, nothing different about them. Alright, what could be better? Two things. I could be nitpicking here, but the base could be just a tad smaller. The second thing, the actual stand, like the pole, whoa, pause on that. Could be a little bit thinner. I feel like, I don't know how much those two things would mess with the integrity of it, but hey, maybe they made it like that for a reason. But if it was a little bit smaller, I would like it a lot better. My verdict, so is the Huanuo dual monitor arm worth it? Yes, it is. If you want to clean up your desk, get your monitors off stands, and you don't want to spend $100 on an Ergotron, this pick does your job. It holds, it adjusts, and it looks clean. The only reason I'd skip it is if you have bigger than 32-inch monitors. I think the weight it's rated for is like 19 pounds. I don't know if it's each or both of them, so make sure you check the weight before you buy. But I'm sure most monitors under 32 inches are perfectly fine for this. Links in the description. I'll drop the exact same one I have. If y'all find this helpful, subscribe. I'm testing and rating products just like this every week, so you know exactly what you're getting before you spend your money. Make sure to drop any questions you have down in the comments. I'll reply to all the comments. Catch you on the next one.